1. Why get travel insurance? If you are traveling abroad, you should get travel insurance before you go. 2. Types of travel insurance: travel medical insurance, medical evacuation insurance, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, baggage insurance, car rental travel insurance, flight accident insurance. 3. Reason number 1. Your domestic insurance plan probably doesn't cover you abroad. Check if your policy covers you outside of your country of residence or citizenship. Medicare doesn't cover you outside of the USA. Domestic health plans usually have limited or no ability to deal with international claims. 4. Reason number 2. Cost of medical treatment abroad can be a financial disaster. This is especially true if traveling in the United States or Canada. Medical evacuation expenses can easily run into the $50,000 range. Medical expenses can easily run into the hundreds of thousands. Travel insurance companies have the ability and resources to deal with medical emergencies overseas. 5. Reason number 3. Protect your travel investment if you are sick or injured or are not able to go on the trip. Trip cancellation and interruption policies can reimburse you for the non-refundable portion of your trip. Trip cancellation plans can also cover your trip costs if your immediate relative becomes sick or injured. The cost of such coverage usually runs about 4 to 7% or up to 10% for persons over age 65. It can also cover inclement weather, strike, natural disaster, terrorist incident, jury duty, and loss of job. If you can't afford to lose it, you should insure it. 6. Reason number 4. Peace of mind. When you go on a trip, travel insurance can provide the peace of mind that if you get sick or injured, your medical expenses will be reimbursed and trip cost will be reimbursed. That peace of mind can provide you the peace of mind so you can get on with enjoying your trip. 7. Reason number 5. You might lose your baggage. Purchasing baggage insurance can usually cover you up to $1,000. It may cover lost baggage or delayed baggage. You have to claim against your airline first, but getting them to pay is not easy. Your home insurance policy may cover you. Don't take anything expensive with you if possible. If you do, keep it on your person. 8. Which policy? If you travel only once or twice a year, or if you travel more than 30 days per trip, then a single trip policy is your best choice. If you travel less than 30 days per trip and travel often, then an annual multi-trip travel insurance plan is your best bet. If you are traveling as a group, then look at a group travel insurance policy. If your travel medical needs are already looked after, but you fear the financial loss if you are not able to go on your trip, make sure you get a trip cancellation policy. 9. Things to check. Will the policy cover your pre-existing medical condition? How long has the condition been stable for? Is insurance backed up by a reputable administrator and insurance company? Does the carrier have a 24/7 claims handling center and able to deal with medical facilities around the world? Make sure you get a large policy maximum for your travel medical insurance policy. If you are traveling for a year or more, get an international health insurance policy instead that will cover non-emergency medical expenses and cover you back in your home country. Will the policy cover the sports I may participate in while traveling? Read and understand the plan terms and conditions. 10. Common travel insurance exclusions. Most travel medical insurance policies do not cover pre-existing medical conditions. Can be waived by some trip cancellation policies if you purchase insurance within a set number of days after making initial deposit. Cosmetic medical expenses. Injury or sickness if you are under the influence of drugs or alcohol. Hazardous sports unless you get the optional sports rider. Check the details. pregnancy-related expenses. Terrorism, but some plans will cover you for it. Participation in a criminal act. Self-inflicted injury. 11. Where can I get travel insurance? You can get a travel insurance quote from tfgglobaltravelinsurance.com at globaltravelinsurance.com.